when we wake up, we were gonna play a game of checker.
Oh yeah.
In the tent.
We were too cold last night, weren't we?
Yeah.
Yep. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. What move are you gonna make? All right. You only can move forward and diagonal. Forward and diagonal. You know what diagonal is?
No.
We're still deep into our first game. Kaden's
Yeah.
learning the double jumps.
Look, I got one. How many do you have, Daddy?
Well, let's see. Daddy's got 5 of Kaden's and Kaden's got 4 of Daddy's. She's doing pretty good.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, keep going.
Whose turn was it?
Your turn.
Oh. So I was right here. Right?
Yep.
I'm going over here to save you.
Okay. Kaden's learning what king means. Okay, so take one of those black pieces and put it on top of mine. Yep. I think I literally backed Kaden into a corner right here.
Whose turn was it?
Your turn. Ooh, what a move.
I'm trying to go B, E, E, E.
Kaden, how'd you make such a smart move? Can you jump me there?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
If I move here, can you jump me?
Yeah.
So that means I lose either way. Dang it. All my guys are gone. Man, I didn't know you were so good at checkers.
Look.
Jeez, Kaden's got 2 pieces, and how many do I have? 0.
Yeah. Dad, you lost.
Thanks a lot, Kaden.
You're welcome.
Good game, but I'm going to beat you next time.
I don't think you will.
Oh, we'll see. Right, you ready for breakfast?
Yeah! Yeah, yeah.
It's cold out here, huh?
Yeah, it's cool out here, folks.
So it's the next. So we just got done playing checkers. Now we're getting ready to go. What do my pants feel like?
I feel like solid.
Yeah, they're hard as a rock from all the snow and ice on it from last night. I put all of Kaden's stuff by the fire last night, so it's nice and warm and toasty.
It's not nice.
And mine's
Yeah.
hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, getting out for the first time today. Is it pretty out here, Kaden?
Yeah. Except with all the scary stuff.
Well, this is where we spent the night last night. Couldn't get the fire going at all. Got a pile of junk out here. It's really pretty. Sun's starting to come through. What are you drinking?
Hot apple cider.
Is it good? And what'd you want for breakfast?
Smokies and apples.
Smokies.
Yeah, Smokies.
Alright, we're trying to cook Kaden a few. Well, Kaden, I thought this was a weird choice, but they're actually pretty good. They warm you up. Here. I was going to make a Spam sandwich for me. Since the Smokies are already out, figure I'll just make a smoky sandwich. Well, we are headed out to Trillium Lake to do a little ice fishing. Kaden loves wearing his snowshoes. I'm going to try to finish with enough time to go sledding, but it's going to be quick. So we might fish just for 30-40 minutes or so. You having fun, Kaden?
Yeah.
Is Daddy pushing you down the hill a while ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kaden got it easy. Kaden went back to being lazy. Jeez, Kaden, is this the way we hike? Jeez. Oh, that's not going very fast. Hopefully it goes far. So we're going on a path we've never been on before. But it's just big enough for Kaden to barely fit, and snow keeps falling in the sled with him.
Yeah, see? Hey! Oh,
It's gonna be one cold boy. I'm sweating like crazy walking up these huge hills. Where are we at, Kaden? Do you know? Do you know where we are?
At Mount Hood.
Trillium Lake.
Trillium Lake,
What's on your face?
peanut butter melody.
How come you always get that on your face?
Because peanut butter.
It's probably fine to go out there, but there are no other tracks, so we're not going to chance it. We made a little hole over here. Where's our hole?
Here.
It's not our hole.
Oh.
Here's our hole.
Hey, I saw
Up there it goes.
Oh, like that?
The bottom. The part you're holding.
Oh, right.
So, Kate, how many fish did we catch? 0. We're pretty good at that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. We're the best at catching 0 in the whole world, huh?
Yeah.
That's right. We're number 1. Yeah, so no fish. Didn't expect anything. But beautiful day. Getting ready to head back. If we get back with any daylight, we're going to try to go sledding. But Caden's feet are getting cold, so we need to head back. And it's going to get dark soon. You just want to stay here and do this all day? Where are we going? Oh, that's what you do. Oh, jeez. This thing's out of air again already. Well, when we got down, it was totally flat. Last year, the one we got wouldn't stay either, so I guess we know just not to buy these kind anymore, huh? Sorry, buddy. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Kaden said it hurt really bad because there's no air in it, so he wants to go one more time and sit on me so I get hurt. Oh.
Me.
You want to come with us?
Oh, that's Gak. Oh, that's Gak. That's his name, Gak.
This is gonna hurt.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna bed!
Did you always hit me? What's wrong with you? Look at Caden's snow tube. It's flat as a pancake, isn't it? All right, bud, you ready to go?
Yeah. Where at my pizza?
What kind of pizza did you get?
What kind is it called?
A heart-shaped.
I got a heart-shaped pizza, but it's actually not heart-shaped.
Yeah, not the greatest, huh?
Yeah. It's actually a circle.
So have you had a good birthday?
Uh-huh.
And you get to celebrate again in a month, huh?
Happy birthday to you. And cookie. Thanks for coming camping with us. I'll see you next